I don't know why I'm, feeling so much lazy. Laziness is a, a spoiler, and we can say laziness is destroy all of your dreams. So, but what can I do right now? I can't do anything because of it's just raining outside. I can't go to my office to do some work. How can I go? How can I reach to my office without waiting? It's raining outside. Now it's time to, leave. I am just peeping into my, window to outside. It's raining or not. Rain it stops or not. But it's raining right now. This is why I'm just waiting. I'm waiting, since morning because of I wake up around at 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and then I get ready around at 9:15. I got ready, and now I am ready to go to my office, but because of the rain I can't go. I'm just waiting for stopping the rain so that I can reach to my office and then perform my task and perform my duty and do some work in the office for today because of it's holiday for tomorrow and next day, and it's how can I say to you, it's 3 days holiday tomorrow, next day tomorrow, and next day tomorrow next day. How can I say kal parso tarsho? How can it is a my native language. This is why my mind, when I talk to in English, my mind think very slowly. My mind think then I speak. Sometimes, not every time, because of a little a little sentence and little word which is I use on the daily basis. I can speak out fluently, but when I think something new in my mind, so when I try to speak something new in my through my real situation, in my in my real situation, this is why I tongue got slipped, I got fumbled. This is why I'm scared in front of others to communicate with others. This is why, because of I got fumbled my those words not, I'm not familiar with those words to speak out loud because of my tongue not used to those words. This is why I am practicing on the daily basis. And now when I try to speak some new words, my mind think very slowly. If I talk about my native language, my native, if I talk if I speak out loud and if I communicate with others in my native language, my mind just says to me, my mind sends signal to me, why are you thinking, just speak. No need to think in my mind in my native language. My mind says to me, speak out, speak out, don't think. Whenever I try to speak in English, those sentence and those ideas and those situation, my mind process very slowly. It's like if I talk, this is how I am saying to you. This is my those vocabulary which I know but I knows vocabulary, but I am not able to frame this correct sentence in my mind very quickly. My mind process slowly. I think first in my native language, then I translate in my mind, then I speak. So it takes not a little time, it's sometimes takes too much time. And too much time not means a 1 hour or 2 hour. It takes around 10 second or 15 second. It's too much. for communication, because of it's, when you talk to someone, or if you think in English, if you pause 10 to 15 seconds, so communication, breaks sometimes. Not sometimes, it happens always when a new, learner do these things in front of others and try to speak in English. This is always happen. And now, it's raining. I'm just peeping just right now in my window, through my window to the outside for checking it's raining or not right now. Is rain happening or not? But now it's raining. Not it's raining. It's pouring because of sometime it's, how can I say, it's, little rain sometimes, but now it's pouring because of when the virus, when the rain is, very strong speed, and when, how can I say, I can't, express. This is why I am trying to, express my, thoughts. Now I consider this point in my notebook कि I can't able to express कि how can I express it's, raining. I can say it's powering, but it's powering means what in English, not in my native language. I know in my native language how to, express, but how can I express in English कि it's powering. This is why I will write on my notebook, and then I will translate, and next time I will, resolve it. Will try, and I will, make practice on it, so that I will be, fluent in that sentence, in that condition. If I try to, speak that sentence in next time, I will not like that. I will not think like that. I am not able to, express. This is why. So let's wait for the, rain, and then I will, make you stop it.